XRP just broke crypto, and is it late to buy XRP? Can this market move all the way to $15, $20 in the heat of the bull market in 2025? XRP price prediction in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to coin bubbles and you look at the 1 week performance, okay, between the number one crypto, which is Bitcoin, to the 100th position, you discover XRP have increased 69.3% in the last week. We've seen this increase, and if you look at the 1 month data here, you discover XRP have made a huge significant increase with 380%. That is an insane gain, about 4x, okay, and people are making a lot of money on this very crypto. And if you look at the yearly performance, you discover XRP have not really done well over a year. So it means that the best time to enter is right now, because this monthly data have just shown that a lot of investors are interested in XRP, and that is why it's moving all the way to the upside. If you come to coin market cap, you discover XRP have taken the 3rd position, okay, by ranking on coin market cap, and this 3rd position at $2.37. So at $2.37 with a market capitalization of $135 billion. This is very, very significant, and market is moving all the way to the upside. And if you notice right at this very point, the market before now, XRP was around number 8 or below 10, and all the way started moving, and it replaced Dogecoin, it replaced BNB, replaced Solana, replaced Tether, that's USDT, and now at 3rd position. Can XRP replace Ethereum? Maybe possibly in the near future, but right now, I don't think that is very, very possible, like immediately. But if you look at the market capitalization of Ethereum, this is $434 billion, and XRP is $135 billion. And if you look at the volume, that is 24-hour trading volume, you discover that they are very, very close, but they can actually get a closer 24-hour trading volume, but the market capitalization is very, very important. Remember, Ethereum is a very wide ecosystem, so I don't believe this to happen very, very soon. XRP can stay here for some number of months before it can really outperform Ethereum. So for Ethereum to be replaced from the 2nd position, in my opinion, that can be possible in the next 6 months and 1 year. But right now, XRP is doing well. And if you look at the 24-hour trading volume, you discover Ethereum is 38.6 billion 24-hour trading volume across all exchanges, and XRP is 35.6 billion trading volume, that's in dollars, across all exchanges. And the most important thing here is XRP can outweigh or surpass Ethereum when it comes to trading volume, but when it comes to market capitalization to replace Ethereum, I think this can take 6 months to 1 year, especially if there is more development on XRP, that is Ripple. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on this very chart. So on-chain data is actually showing that XRP is making a lot of waves right now, and market is pumping all the way to the upside. If you look at XRP as well, right now is trading at $2.43, and the market capitalization at $138.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume, we already talked about that. And the total supply right here is 99.9 billion, max supply 100 billion, and the circulating supply is 57.05 billion. If the remaining supply is being released into circulation, it means that the price can drop all the way to the downside, not aggressively, but gradually. And this is going to make a lot of drawback in the price moving all the way to the upside as well. So what you need to pay attention to right now is this on-chain data, because they are very important to future movement or future direction of XRP. And if you look at this, XRP have its own blockchain, so it is a coin and not a token. Some investors can say, instead of me to buy XRP right now that is 2.43 cents, I can buy token that is on the XRP chain instead of buying XRP itself. And this is one of the ways you can buy at a low price and wait for that aggressive pump to come into the market for massive gain. So this is a very important on-chain data. Now, one on-chain data I want you to look at is this very site, which is cryptocompare.com. If you look at it and look at XRP is number one when it comes to direct volume. There is this thing called direct volume and 24-hour trading volume. When it comes to direct volume, XRP is leading with $3.38 billion, surpassing Bitcoin with $2.33 billion. This is an aggressive volume in just 1 month time. Price action. Look at, in just 1 month, we see XRP make a significant high all the way to the upside. So if you bring this measure to, and you measure from this very point to this very area, it is called that XRP have made significant huge move with about 300% as shown on this very chart. And if you move a little bit upward to where the price is right now, this is 388%, about 400%. And this is what we've seen right now. So can we say it is too late to buy? In my opinion, it is not too late to buy. This move is just starting. Why? If you look at the stochastic RSI indicator to start with, it is called that when market was at this very point, we see consolidation all over this area, and then this very candle, which is last month candle November, was where we see the breakout of this very level of important resistance, which the market was consolidating at. And then we see another breakout of this very point as well of resistance. And right now, market is at this very point with this very second candle. And notice on this very price action and on this indicator right here, there is a crossover already between the blue line and the orange line, which means market have capacity of continuing this movement all the way to the upside. Remember, the stochastic RSI indicator is a momentum indicator. What that means is market can go all the way into the overbought condition and stay in the overbought condition for quite a number of time. So it doesn't really matter when the market move all the way from here into this area. Don't just expect the market to crash all the way from the overbought condition into oversold condition. And remember, I am looking at the 1 month chart. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. So in my opinion, I believe that the market is still going to move upward because this move just started. And if you look at the MACD indicator, which is a lagging indicator, and one of the indicators I use as well for my trading, is that you see that the MACD indicator just moved with a significant move on the histogram. Look at it right at this very point. We've not seen this significant move on the histogram before, and it just started happening with this very candle and the second candle right here, which means market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. Not only that, there is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line at this very point, which means there is a lot more capacity of this market moving all the way to the upside. So market is still going to move all the way to the upside on the MACD histogram and also with this MACD line and the signal line as it is indicated by this very indicator. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, guys. I am looking at XRP move aggressively all the way to the upside, especially in the heat of the bull market in 2025. So my 2025 price prediction for XRP is for this very token to do the least $15 in the heat of the bull market. It can move all the way to $20 and $25 per XRP token. This is my own personal opinion, and from what I am seeing on this chart and from what we can see on chain right here on CoinMarketCap and also on Coin Bubbles, market on this very price action is going to move all the way to the upside, and this is what I am looking at right now. So if you are holding XRP, hold it tight, and if you want to invest in XRP, please consider it a high risk investment, because trading crypto is high risk, and also invest what you can lose. But the price where it is right now is also good to buy, because market is going to still move from here all the way to the upside from what I am saying right now on this very chart. And if you look at the 1 day chart, which you can use to enter a position almost immediately, you discover that the market is still very, very parabolic all the way to the upside. From this very area, market still move upward, which means we can experience a very little retracement to the downside as we experience right at this very point. And that will be another opportunity for you to buy more XRP, because it's going to move all the way to the upside. And this is what I am looking at right now from this very price action. So my 2025 price prediction for XRP is for this very token to do the least $15 in the heat of the bull market, and we can see up to $25 with what we are seeing right now on chain. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you want to know when the altcoin season is going to start for the 2025 bull market, check this video right here. And if you want to learn more about airdrop and participate on airdrop, check this video right here as well. It will help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.